This video I'm going to explain and solve another Leetcode problem on binary tree pre-order traversal. But first of all, I'm going to compare both in-order traversal and pre-order traversal. For a better explanation what is an in-order traversal, please check out my other video on binary tree in-order traversal. The difference between pre-order traversal and in-order traversal lies in the order in which the nodes are visited. Binary tree pre-order traversal goes from root, left subtree, and right subtree. The in-order traversal, if you check my video, you probably know that first it goes through the left subtree, then the root, and the right subtree. For example, in the binary tree in-order traversal, you start from 4, going up to 2, then 6, 5, 7, up to 1, and you start with the right subtree. From 3 you go to 9 and up to 8. In the pre-order traversal, your output should start with the root, then you check the left tree from up to the bottom, you go to the left side, you start with the root again the left side, and then the right side, and you go to the right subtree. That's it. This is the difference between those two. Now let's move to the code. I'm gonna copy the same code from the in-order traversal. You can also find the code on my GitHub. I'm gonna paste it. The only difference that you need to change is after you append the current node to the stack, you want to also append it to the result list. And this line you don't need at all. That's it. For better explanation of the code, you can also check the previous video on binary tree in-order traversal.